Switched computers and need to load your streaming setup from an XSW file? This is your entire broadcast scene configuration saved by XSplit. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through importing and editing these XSplit Broadcaster scene files. My experience tells me that some XSW files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A user, typically a streamer or content creator, encounters an XSW file when saving or sharing their scene layouts from XSplit Broadcaster. This file stores the arrangement of all sources, such as webcams, game captures, and overlays, allowing for quick switching between different visual setups during a live broadcast. The XSW file is an XML-based text file that defines the properties, positions, and hierarchy of all elements within a scene. This structured, human-readable format makes the file lightweight and easily parsable by the application, allowing for complex scene data to be saved and loaded efficiently. The proprietary opener for the XSW file structure is typically XSplit Broadcaster by Split Media Labs. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot guarantee changes are safe, so misediting can cause instability. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your XSW file and click Open With. If XSplit Broadcaster is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If your XSW file is not opening yet, that is normal. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, loading in XSplit Broadcaster. Open XSplit Broadcaster and navigate to Tools, then Scene Manager. Click Import and browse to your XSW file to load the saved scene configuration. The application reconstructs all sources, overlays, and audio settings from the file, allowing you to immediately resume broadcasting with your saved production setup. Next, verifying source links. After importing the XSW file, check that all referenced media files, capture devices, and plugins are available on the current system. Missing sources appear as placeholders in the scene preview. Update file paths or reconnect capture devices to restore full functionality of the imported XSplit broadcasting scene. Finally, backing up scene files. Locate XSW files in the XSplit user data folder, typically under App Data. Copy these files to a backup location or cloud storage to preserve scene configurations. When migrating to a new computer, transfer the XSW files along with associated media assets and plugins to maintain your complete broadcasting setup. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.